So I'm going to show you how easy phrasal verbs can be with the following three items. So we've got a pen, got a magazine with Donald Trump, and we've got this glass here. So with the pen, you take the top off. Take off because the top is not on the pen anymore. Then you put it on, for example. Now, if we're going to repeat the action, you take it off and then you put it back on. So you can see that we use back as the particle here between put and on, put it back on, because back implies to its original position. This is why we say come back. When you go on holiday, you come back. Then I can throw it up, or I can throw it up into the air. So throw up because of direction, into because it's now part of the air. The meaning of into is transitioned to be part of a bigger thing, which is the air. I put it in the glass. I take it out the glass. I can put it back in the glass. I can take it back out of the glass. I pick the pen up. I put the pen down. I pick the pen back up. I put the pen back down. So let's have a look at this magazine with good old Donald Trump. So we've got the magazine. I can turn it round. I can turn it back round. I can turn it over. I can turn it back over. See how many of these phrasal verbs you can find in everyday life. Write them down. Now, watch this video again and write them down and memorize them. You're going to need them because this is the only kind of verbs that we use to describe manipulation of objects.